I finally received my box from Mattel Creations. So I ordered this quite a while ago and it took quite a while to come here. So inside is a Mercedes-Benz G580. There's a description of it on the side of the box. The logo at the top. Let's open it up. Alright. So inside the box is another box. Okay, very nice design on the box. I guess this is the front, that was the back. Oh wow, okay. So this is the G-Wagon in blue. Very nice shiny blue. Got a bit of dust on it. Yep. Oh, the lights are not, they're drawn on lights. Let's see if the doors can be opened. Oh yes, they can. So you can open the door for display and to peep inside it. The G-Class G580 on the back. So nice, they colored this black and half blue to match the colors on the vehicle. Let me try opening it. Alright, okay, it can open easily. Just have to be gentle. Okay. So there, Mercedes-Benz G580 with EQ technology by Matchbox. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!